guys, Halloween C here. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and setup of a Regan from... Alright guys, so I got this chick today. I'm here with my friend Moose, by the way, aka the kid from the Bog Zombie video. And we're just going to be unboxing this. So got this today at Spirit. It's the same Spirit that I saw it at yesterday. And yeah, I went ahead and purchased it today. And yeah, let's open this up. So, stop in the box, man. Got a piece of cardboard. Oh, the first thing getting out is a head. So, we have instructions.
And we have instructions.
Yeah. So the head is really detailed. Wow, this is really good. Really good head. Detailed. Yeah, I like it more than the Morbid one. And The Exorcist is my favorite movie. So once I saw this, like just a picture of it, I knew I had to get the prop. So, well, not my favorite movie, but like my favorite horror movie. Maybe my favorite movie, not sure. There's a mechanism. Yay. And then here's the arms. And they've got the hands, you know. They're good. You know, latex.
Listen, I'm gonna be right back. Alright.
We just left with the clothes. That's nice. You know they can see you in the camera, right? Okay, they can still see. Alright, anyway. Got some nice leg pulls, you know. Pretty good leg pulls. We got four of them right there. Yeah. Also, this is made by YJ, which I'm really happy it is not made by Crazy Create. Why does this have twist ties that seem to be untwist tie? Wait, maybe. I don't know, but there's a bunch of twist ties in here. Feel good. Feel good. Hold up. You know, I'm not sure how I'm gonna get this out. And yeah.
What's up, man? What's up, man?
He put it on wrong.
It can't get out. I don't know if you can see this, but
he's wearing Regan's clothes.
I would not suggest wearing it. It's very tight.
We got that this piece, the hips, I guess. The hips still high. Freaking twist tied into the box. Here you go. Maybe scissors would be helpful.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Yeah, he's gonna go grab some scissors. But in the meantime, let's just check out what we got out so far, you know. Clothing.
Too bad you can't check it out.
Gotta get the base. Yeah, but this is made by YJ, which is good. So yeah. Anyway, here's the base. So we're gonna start setting it up. So just time lapse right now. so Regan is all set up. I'm not gonna do a demo yet. I'm gonna move it to do a demo because it needs to be behind like a good wall. I don't know why these are so weird, but yeah, it needs to be behind, in front, I mean, of a blank wall. So yeah, let's move it over there now. All right, guys, so we got it in a better spot now. So now I'm gonna plug it in and see it. I already plugged it in once to make sure that we would actually see the projection, but yeah, I'm gonna plug it in for real and film it.
What an excellent day for an exorcism. It would bring us together, you and us. I'm not Regan. I'm the devil.
I love that phrase. I don't know if it's anymore. Let's see.
You killed your mother. You left her alone to die. Keep away. The sow is mine.
See if there's any more.
Your mother's in here with us, Gareth. Would you like to leave a message? I'll see that she gets it. What an excellent day for an exorcism. It would bring us together, you and us.
All right, so that was it for the phrases. That was Regan. Very cool prop. I really like this prop. It's one of the best. Yeah, so it's one of my favorites for this year. Yeah, I really like it. Here, you can just see the detail on the face. A lot. It looks better, a lot better than the Morbid one. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video of unboxing Regan. I will put, actually, should have done this for the other unboxing videos. I just thought of it. I'll put a link to where you can buy it on the website in the description. And yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join my Discord server link in the description. You can buy Regan if you want to in the description. And yeah, peace.